Hi, I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. A brand new looking gorgeous garden bench that looks like it's just been delivered. I got my drill and a sanding disc and I sanded off all the top of the table, and then I worked my way round the edges, making them all nice and smooth and crisp. After I'd done the top, I worked my way around to the seats. Same process, taking the top off and then working around the edges, making sure they're all nice and smooth. I only sanded the tabletop and the top of the seats. All the struts underneath that support the table, they were just left as they were. So next, I got my little helper and we turned the table on its side. We then painted all the struts underneath the table surface and the seats. We painted them green. It was called Country Garden and it took 2 coats. So that's all the painting done. It's all dry, but I want to keep that natural wood finish on the seats and on the surface of the table. So in order to do that, I just used a furniture wax. I put 2 coats of this on, so it's being protected, as you can see from the water drops on here, they're not going through. But as well, you get that natural wood finish. So it's the best of both worlds. And there we are, mission accomplished. Look at that. It looks brand new. I'm so pleased with the results, and so's my family. Happy days. Please subscribe and ring that bell.